Hi, Ariel. Hi. Good morning. Today is day 7. We are in Portugal. So we have left mainland Spain and now we are in on an island. It's a Portuguese island and it is a beautiful day. We are going to go out and have fun. We don't have a tour. We're just going to go and explore the area. We're going to have some fun today. So if you're new around here, I'm Christy and this is Ariel. We're so excited that it's not cold and it's not raining and the sun's out and it's warm and we don't have to wear jackets and hoods and umbrellas. Right, so as per usual, we started going the wrong direction, but we've looked at our map, we've turned around, and now we're headed the right way. One thing that we learned yesterday when we went to our little lecture was that the ground, like the actual ground that we were walking on, it's all stone, hand laid by artists. So there's all these patterns that are in the ground and they're all hand laid stone, and every time like something gets broken, a stone gets broken, it has to be replaced by an artist. Oh my god, we found the cutest store right outside the port and we did some shopping. We got, of course, Magnet, and then Ariel got this cutest panda and it says Madeira on it. How cute is that? So I think that the Botanical Gardens are up this hill. So there's a sky ride that takes you up the hill, and we think we found it. We are in line for the cable car. And there's in front of us. Oh, there's a long line, huh? We got up here so fast. The line.
Every house here has a red roof and white walls.
Well, that was a fun ride, yeah? All right, so now we're at the top and there's the tropical garden. So if you take the first cable car up, it leaves you at the tropical gardens. And then there's another cable car that you have to take to get to the Botanical Gardens. And that's where we're gonna go. Oh, it's so nice up here. It smells like pine. All right, so we're walking down to the next cable car, and this is gonna take us to the Botanical Gardens. And it's a beautiful walk. It's so warm. We have gotten so used to it being frigid cold that this is a nice change. Oh, that was cool. You have to run off of those things or you'll just be stuck. So we keep seeing these little lizards everywhere. Tell me when you can see it. There it is. Right there.
Prunus lusitanica. Don't question me, that's what it's called.
This place is so pretty. It's a nice place to come up and relax. We're under this beautiful canopy. It's so pretty. We are leaving the Botanical Gardens and we are headed back down the cable car to the city. Now back up the stairs we go. So we're gonna walk to where the toboggan starts, hopefully. We may get lost.
We will.
But that's the fun of it. And the sun has gone away and it's sprinkling a little. We have umbrellas and jackets. So to get to the toboggan rides, it was just a short 10-minute walk, but they don't take card. So we have to find an ATM to get euro. Is there a sign maybe over here? Yeah. He said there was a church up here. So we will see.
All these stairs.
So we learned that these blue tile paintings, each piece was made one by one and then put together to make the painting whole. Well, now that it's raining, I'm not quite sure if we can continue with the toboggan ride. Oh, look at these little cars. They're so cute. Thank you. Woo! Look at Woo! Don't hit the ground. Here we go.
Deixa aqui a sua fotografia do carrinho de cesto, tem um pouco da história. O preço é 10 euros, por favor. Está muito bonita a foto.
Alright, so we have finished the toboggan ride, which took us halfway down the hill, and we're just gonna walk the rest of the way. It's beautiful. Stay there. Do not move. Alright, come on. Back on the ship we go. Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
While waiting for dinner, Ariel's doing a puzzle. You have to eat the whole thing.
Laughing at me. Laughing at me. Well, I mean, torture. By eating this thing.
Eat the green bean.